Hi, I got asked the other day, a fellow in Oregon asked me, how do I know if I've got Wi-Fi 2.4 gigahertz? He was going to get one of those webcams. I guess they're advertising someplace he saw it, and it screws right into your light bulb socket. It's a wireless connection. So it needs 2.4 gigahertz, which I think every wireless router that's been made in the last, I don't know how many years, has been capable of that, but still give him the comfort of knowing for sure. So the Samsung phone over there, the Droid, if you swipe up arrow like that, it takes you to all the apps, and I've got mine sorted alphabetically. So if I go to W, and that's going to be at the very end, and there it is, Wi-Fi Analyzer. Now, how do you get that? Well, you want to go to the Google Play Store, and that's done by swiping. Oops, I didn't swipe the correct way. Up arrow, and then I'm going to search for the Google Play Store. Like so. Google Play Store, and then I'm going to search for the Wi-Fi Analyzer, and it looks like this when you find it. Wi-Fi Analyzer, and that first one that comes up, nope, don't do that one. This is the one you want. It's the fifth one down is the one I'm using, and I know it works. Okay, so it's installed already. I installed it first, make sure it worked. You know the old saying I use, if it isn't tested, it doesn't work. So we tested it. And we open it, and it'll start scanning for Wi-Fi channels and connections. And to determine the channels that you have available, you just click on that wrench like I did up there at the top, and bazinga, there it is. Available channel 2.4, available channel 5 gigahertz, and use the channel width, etc., etc. So, I want to thank you for taking a minute out of your day. It's a wrap. I want to thank all the time that you've devoted to this episode of the Guy R. Cook Report. I hope that link helps you out in some way. Thanks to the patrons that support this effort. It's a wrap. And this is how you get in touch with yours truly, Guy R. Cook. There's the GuyRCookReport.com, and there's a contact form if you go to GuyRCook.com, just like it shows in text there. Or you can call my new cell phone number, 509-200-1429. I look forward to talking to you.